In a world where space comes at a premium, finding solace and comfort in your small rental space is a hard form. Join me as I delve into the beauty of compact living, where every nook and cranny tells a story of adaptation and creativity. Welcome to my humble abode, where every corner is cherished and every inch is maximized for functionality. As I go about my day, completing mundane tasks and finding joy in simple pleasures, I invite you to take a glimpse into the world of finding happiness in your small space living. The ritual of refreshing the sleeping quarters, a moment of renewal and tranquility in the sanctuary of my small space. As I embark on the task of changing the bed sheets, I'm reminded of the simple joys that comes with maintaining a clean and cozy environment. With each smooth of fabric and tucked corners, a sense of serenity washes over, transforming the bed into a haven of comfort and relaxation. In a small space, every detail matters, and even the act of making the bed becomes a cherished ritual of self-care and mindfulness. With the bed refreshed, it's time to turn your attention to the small mundane task of making sure the bed linens are smooth and everything. A small but essential component of my sleeping quarters as I clean away the accumulated dust and organize the scattered items. I'm reminded of the importance of simplicity and order in promoting peace and clarity of mind. So, always try to ensure your side tables are decluttered and just have the essential items that you use throughout the night. Always ensure all your spaces are organized and clutter-free. That's one of the essential tips in keeping your small space organized and looking good. And what better way to infuse the space with warmth and ambience than the soft glow of a candle? As I transition into the heart of my small space living, I comfort the challenge of maintaining cleanliness in my compact kitchen. With limited counter space, the chore of washing dishes become a delicate balancing act. The sink, though small, serves as the epicenter of my culinary adventure. Here I carefully wash the dish drainer so that water doesn't spill all over the place, because as you see already, it's a small kitchen and each space has to be maximized. With mindfulness and precision, I have to tackle this dish drainer, and when I'm washing dishes as well, scrubbing away food particles and all, water cascade from the faucet and all of that, I have to ensure that this small kitchen is utilized properly. A dish drainer A humble yet indispensable companion in our small kitchen, its stair design allows for efficient drying while it compacts hold to ensure that water does not spill all over. So think about everything you own in your small space and ensure that all of them has their purpose and their functionality. The laundry corner, a testament to the ingenuity of a small space living. Tucked beside the fridge, my trusty washer may nestled in a tight spot, but it's a symbol of efficiency and functionality. And when the cycle is complete, it's time to embrace the chore of folding laundry. With limited space to spare, each piece of clothing is folded here in my room. So I carry the laundry here in my room to start folding. In a small space, every fold counts and every piece of clothing finds its designated spot. As I fold each item with care, I can't help but to appreciate the simplicity sometimes of minimalism and the freedom it brings. Now, cooking in a small kitchen may pose its challenges, but it also inspires creativity and resourcefulness. With limited counter space and storage options, every ingredient is chosen with intention and every recipe is crafted with love. As the aroma fills the air, I'm reminded that great meals can be created in even the smallest of spaces. So, whenever you're home and you find yourself complaining about your small space, you got company. Just make the best of your small space. And so, as the day comes to a close, I'm filled with gratitude for the simplicity and beauty of small space living. In a world that often values excess and extravagance, I find solace in the minimalistic embrace of my humble abode. For in this space, I've discovered that true happiness lies not in the size of our surrounding, but in the depth of our contentment. So, I hope you enjoy this video on small space living, and if you're living in a small space like myself, do appreciate it.